Are you looking for the best lathe chucks in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best lathe chucks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WEN LA4444 4-jaw chuck set. The WEN 4-inch chuck is an essential tool for woodworkers looking to hold various projects securely. With its scroll chuck design, you can easily grip bowls, spindles, and other challenging shapes. The internal jaws are adjustable for workpieces ranging from 1.6 to 2.8 inches, providing versatility in your projects. Additionally, the external jaws can accommodate items with pilot holes from 2 to 3.2 inches, making it easier to work with larger pieces. The included screw chuck adds further support options, enhancing your woodworking experience. Up next in the 4th place is the CXRCY 4-inch wood lathe chuck. The CXRCY 4-inch chuck is a versatile tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts. Its 4-jaw design allows for precise and efficient self-centering, ensuring your workpiece is accurately positioned for better results. Made from durable 1045 steel, this chuck resists rust and wear, extending its lifespan and maintaining high performance. Additionally, its compatibility with most wood lathes that have a 1x8 TPI thread makes it a convenient choice for various projects. You'll appreciate the ease of use and reliability this chuck brings to your woodworking tasks. The 3rd product on our list is the Nova Pro-Tek G3 Wood Lathe Chuck Kit. The Nova Pro-Tek Chuck Kit is designed for woodworkers seeking reliability and ease of use. Its premium nickel plating helps prevent rust, making it ideal for working with green wood. You'll appreciate the enhanced 50mm jaws, which feature a unique dovetail design that firmly grips both round and square blanks, ensuring stability during your projects. The precision laser-etched numbering simplifies jaw alignment and changes, saving you time. Plus, the upgraded 6-point star fasteners provide greater torque, enhancing holding power and reducing the risk of stripping. This chuck kit is all about making your woodworking experience smoother and more efficient. 2nd on our list is the VEVOR 3-jaw lathe chuck 8. The VEVOR lathe chuck is designed for precision and durability. Made from high-quality HT300 material, it ensures strong performance, making it suitable for both small and large workpieces. With a precise machining process, you can expect excellent stability and accuracy, allowing you to achieve detailed results. The dual-use jaws provide flexibility, letting you clamp various sizes of industrial parts effortlessly. Plus, the self-centering feature simplifies operation, so you can install it easily and start working without the hassle of repeated calibration. Finally, the top product on our list is the WEN LA4444 4-jaw lathe chuck set. The WEN 4-jaw chuck is designed to enhance your woodworking experience by securely holding various workpieces. Its internal jaws grip pieces ranging from 1.18 to 1.34 inches, making it ideal for bowls and spindles. Meanwhile, the external jaws can accommodate items with pilot holes between 1.12 and 2.18 inches. With a keyed tightening mechanism, you can enjoy increased grip strength, ensuring your workpiece stays in place while you work. Plus, its 1x8 TPI thread fits most wood lathes, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.